Thank you, Cadet Farjad. I hate to say goodbye, yet we have to say farewell, for we shall meet again, that I can foretell. Ladies and gentlemen, now I invite Cadet Saad of second year class to share feelings of his class on this occasion. Cadet Saad.
Vice Admiral Shah Suhail Masood, Hilal Imtiaz Military, Commander NSDC, Naval Headquarters, Islamabad. Principal, Cadet College Pidaro, Sitar Imtiaz Military, Commander Mehboob Ilahi Malik. Respected faculty members, military staff, senior battalions, dear cadets, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. 1,825 days. I can't believe it. I really can't. And now, just 27 days are left. I don't know who the hell was he who put the time on the fast mode. It's like with a blink of an eye, these all days, these all excitement are now just memories that comes out in the form of tears from my eyes. I don't know how would you all compliment me. I don't know whether of you like me, how many of you dislike me. But let me tell you, and to be honest, I don't like you all guys. I don't really like you. But if you could ever listen to my heartbeat, you would come to know that I love you. And I really love you a lot. It's because of you. It's because of you. Today, whatsoever I am, wherever I am, my conviction, my power, my motivation, my confidence, and my courage is all because of you. Your love and your unforgettable affection make me whatsoever I am. My brothers, how can I forget our first day when Chief P.O. Ahad taught us how to salute and we were under the commands of our clique cadets. And now, look at the time, how it flies. This chapter is going to be closed on 13th May 2016. And here, I'm presenting the farewell speech. How can I forget that dolphin show trip where we irritated the whole administration? And you would have remembered that pink shirt guy who was flirting that cute girl and we made slogans for them. How can I forget our former principal, Commodore Mohammad Afzal, when he interrupted Palijo as lobster? I've never heard this word in my life before. How can I forget our night stay at Rani Court when every single cadet of our entry danced and enjoyed? How can I just forget that? And that Thanda Pani after miles of walking and hiking. I really can't forget that. Jiggers, how can I just forget the most mysterious name of our entry mates? Chucky? Chibda? Brigadier Jaggu? Kasim Wala Popo? One for entry ke kadve? Burger? Black sheep? Pathan Khapti? हमारा फौलादी पत्थर प्राइवेट बिल्डर and somehow dancer. And we also got the national animal of Pakistan, Wasim Janwar. LPG, Cadet Captain Suhaib Firdaus Burgudi. And wait. Let's say it together. Let's say it once and for all. 084. It says, love and curve can never be suppressed. The love we received from our teacher, the most caring teachers on earth I ever found. the way you taught us, the way you scolded us, the way you took care of us. Sir, we were really just raw materials, and you polished us to be the diamonds and taught us how to lead an upright life. I really don't know how to repay you all, but today, I'll salute you. I'll salute you, sir. Thank you. And you really deserve an standing ovation, please. I don't know, guys. I really don't know how to express my inner feelings, because I think if I do, I'll be having really tears. I'll cry. Well, I'm very thankful to our principal, Mehboob Ilahi Malik. I'm very thankful to our Captain Babar, especially Major Umar Farooq, who were really a source of motivation and guide for us. I wish best of luck to my junior brothers. Wish you a very happy and successful life, and please remain in contact from wherever you are. And a very last message to my brothers, my jiggers, my entry mate. Guys, life is a name of continuous ups and downs. But it's you who have to prove that you are the best. And you really are. That's what I believe. You are the best. You are the champion. Don't think Allah have forgotten you. Never. Just remember, the one who is most closest to Allah is the one who will be most tested by Him. So be steadfast, be confident, and remain happy from wherever you are. Now it's time to say farewell to all of you, to all my juniors, to all my teachers, to all my jiggers. Take a good care of you. Fi Manullah.
Thank you, Cadet Saad. Gentlemen, now Cadet Captain Mahad from Cambridge System speaks a few words on this occasion. Cadet Mahad.
Good evening and Assalamu Alaikum. Guests, heads, teachers, instructor, and my dear brothers. Thank you very much for this wonderful farewell that has been hosted for us. And thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to represent the first batch of Cambridge System Cadet College Pitaro today. Sir, when we joined this college 5 years back as the first batch of Cambridge System, most of the people around us believed that this experiment might not succeed. And we took an oath. We took an oath that we will make it. And yes, we did it. We did it by securing the outstanding grade in Cambridge International Examinations. On this opportunity, how can I not acknowledge my teachers who, over commitment, took us to our success? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like everyone to know that this place is the reason of making us what we are today. We have learned everything here, from taking decisions to learning from our own mistakes. It made our personality in such a way that today we trust on our abilities. And behind these all skills, there is one person who is present in the hall, Mr. Ihsan Ali Shah, our mentor, who forgot his own sleep for our success. And he took our success as his paradise. Thank you very much, sir. You were the reason behind the success of this system and prosperity. Without you, nothing could have been possible. On the behalf of my entry mates, I will thank Commodore Mehboob Ilahi Malik for facilitating us unlimitedly and granting us every facility. So your keenness in the flourishment of the system took us to the success. Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we will go to a new world, to a new era, where we will compete for our professional lives. But trust me, Cadet College Pitaro gave us the greatest experiences ever. Thank you, Cadet College Pitaro. Thanks a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish all of you best of luck, especially my mates for the future. And my juniors, now you are the seniors. So get up and take charge. Thank you for being the part of our lives. We'll miss you guys a lot. As today for the last time I am seeing all of you all together, so I'll take a line from a novel of Fault in Our Stars. It is a thing about pain. It is supposed to be felt. Alvida, goodbye, sayonara, adios, Cadet College Pitaro. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Cadet Mahal. Ladies and gentlemen, we are fortunate to have some senior battalion with us tonight.